My name is Chiara Felinadya. I am 21 years old and I am from Jakarta, Indonesia. I am an undergraduate student at Bandung Institute of Technology in Bandung, Indonesia. I find online conferences to be very suitable for me, and I can also receive lots of benefits through online conferences. First of all, is because of the easy accessibility, where online conferences can break down geographical barriers, making it easier for people from all over the world to participate. And this increased accessibility promotes various diversity and allows individuals who might not have been able to travel to a physical conference before. And secondly, it is very cost effective, where online conferences have lower registration fees compared to physical ones, as they don't require expenses for venue booking, catering, travel, and also accommodations. This cost effectiveness can make conferences more accessible to individuals or organizations that has limited budget. And lastly, the flexibility of self. So online conferences, I think they often offer more flexibility of accessing recorded sessions and then enabling participants to watch presentations at their very convenient place and for better time management, actually. Therefore, I think online conferences is a very convenient choice for a lot of people, and it can also gain a wider range of people from across the world. Yes, of course, I would very recommend and suggest my friends and colleagues to attend an online conference. I would share and tell them about my experiences in attending online conferences, specifically from Eurasia, and let them know that it is a very exciting and interesting thing to experience and that they should also try attending one. As a first timer attending an online conference, I can say that it is a very good experience. So actually, I don't have that very significant feedback because I think the online conference that Eurasia has conducted previously has already met my expectations, and therefore I would want and I would wish for Eurasia to keep up and maintain the current performance and qualities so that more and more people would look up to Eurasia and also be more eager to attend and participate in future conferences. So yeah.